Hi, what can I do you for?
I'd like an ice cream, please.
Me too, please.
Okay.
Oh, but can it be sugar-free, please?
Okay.
Oh, and I need mine dairy-free too.
Okay, I'll check.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I think...
Oh, also, it can't have any flour in it.
What?
And I need mine gluten-free too.
Oh, and if it's fruity, it has to be exactly 6 ounces of fresh fruit. I can't eat it if it's frozen.
Oh, and it needs to be keto-friendly, paleo-friendly, and FODMAP-free, not FODMAP-friendly. Very important.
And no plastic wrap on the ice cream. I'm allergic. I can't have it touching.
You do know what FODMAPs are, right? You're selling food, so I'd sure hope so.
So in the ice cream, is the fruit organic? Were any pesticides used? We can't have that.
And no red dye either. That has carrageenans, and I can't have that either.
Okay, and mine can have grapes, but absolutely no grape skins. Or tomatoes or onions.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you so
thank
much!
you!
Oh, perfect.
Is that vegan?
Yeah!
What the? That hurt.